Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. You have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Now click install. Now you can click open. And now you can set Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can try out Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And here you can decide if you want to see notifications from this browser or not. And your Firefox browser is installed and all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.